tackle what we have tackled the other day with the kids through online via Zoom. So we have to convert decimals to fractions. Okay, so for our first example, we have 0.2 and we'll convert it to fractions. So for the first step, what number do we have after the decimal point? We have here 2, so 2 over automatically 10 raised to 1. Why raised to 1? Because we have only one number after the decimal point. That's it. Or 2 over 10. As simple as that. 2 over 10 is same with 2 over 10 raised to 1. Okay? See? 0.2 decimal and it became fractions. 2 over 10. For our number 2, example, we have 0.25. So, convert it to fractions. What is the number after the decimal point? We have 25 over automatically 10 raised to, how many numbers do we have after the decimal point? 1, 2, we have 25, so we have 2 numbers equals to, what is the GCF of 25 over 10 raised to 2? So 25 over 10 raised to 2 is 10 times 10, right? So 10 times 10 is 100. So, the GCF or the greatest common factor of 25 divided by 100 is, we have 25 divided by 25 over 100 divided by 25. Okay, so we have 25 divided by 25 is 1 over 100 divided by 25, we have 4, right? So, as simple as that, we have 1 over 4. For the decimal problem 0.25 and it became 1 over 4. Number 3. For example, we have 1.050. Let's convert it to fractions. First, get that 1. So, stay put ka dyan 1. And then, the number after the decimal point, we have 0, 50, or 50. Because 0, 50 and 50 is the same. Over automatically 10, so 1 and 50 divided by 10 raised to, how many numbers do we have after the decimal point? 3, right? We have 3 numbers, 0, 5, 0. So, 1 copy and then 50 divided by 10 raised to 3. What does it mean? 10 times 10 times 10. So, 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 again. So, we have 1,000. Or, we have, again, copy that 1 and then 50 over 1,000 is, let's look for the greatest common factor of 50 over 1,000. So, we have 50 divided by 50 and 50 it's the same, 50. So, we have 1, copy again. 50 divided by 50 is 1 over 1000 divided by 50 is 20. That's it. From 1.050 to 1 and 1 over 20. Now vice versa. Let's convert fractions to decimals. Okay, fractions to decimals. Okay, teacher, how about from fractions to decimals? So, there. For our example number 1, for example, we have 2 over 8. That fraction 2 over 8. So, fractions to decimals is more simpler or easier than decimals to fractions. Or it's just the same. So, 2 over 8 is 2 divided by 8. As simple as that. So, 2 divided by 8, of course, we got 0. And then 0 times 8 is 0. So, bring down 2 and then 2 divided by 8 again. Cannot be. So, let's put 0. So, 20 divided by 8. We have 2. But, copy that decimal point. Put there. So, 2 times 8 is 16. So, 20 minus 16 is 4. Again, 4 divided by 8 cannot be. So, again, let's add another 0. So, bring down 0. And 40 divided by 8 is exactly 5. So, 5 times 8 is 40. There. So, we got 2 divided by 8. In decimal point, we have 0.25. There. Number 2. How about teacher? For example, 3 divided by 5. Okay. From fraction 3 divided by 5 to decimal, so as simple as 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5 is 0. 0 times 5, 0. And then 3. 3 divided by 5 cannot be. So again, put decimal point. And add 0, bring down 30 divided by 5 is 6, but copy that point there, so it will become the decimal point. And 6 times 5 is 30, and 30 minus 30 is 0. So, that's it. We have 3 divided by 5. To decimals, we got 0.6. Gotcha! How about teacher? If it looks like this. Okay, for example, number 3. 1 and 3/4. Okay. We have 4, it's more easier like this. 4 times 1, multiply. 4 times 1 is 4, right? 4 times 1 is 4. And then add 4 times 1, 4, plus 3 is 7. Right? We have 7. And then divided by, we have 4. So, again, how did we get this 7 here? 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So, 7 divided by 4. So, 7 divided by 4 is of course 1. And 1 times 4 is 4. Then, 7 minus 4 is 3. But, 3 divided by 4 cannot be. So, let's add 0. And copy that decimal point. Then, bring down 0. And 30 divided by 4 is 7. So, 7 times 4 is 28. And then, 30 minus 28 is 2, right? And then, again, 2 divided by 4 cannot be. So, again, add another 0. So, bring down 0. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So, 5 times 4, exactly, we have 20. So, 20 minus 20, no more. So, we have 1.75. Okay? From 1 and 3/4 fractions to decimals 1.75. Gotcha! That's it. Now, thank you guys for watching. God bless. Thank you for the students who are asking me these kinds of problems, and thank you for all the parents who keeps on supporting me with my tutorial vlogs. God bless all. Bye-bye.